The plan today is to go to a favela on a motorbike. You want to follow along? Come on, come on, come on. Blue sky. We got the monster ready. Bom dia. We're day is ready to begin. Let's find a spot where we can sit and enjoy this one here. I got Copacabana Beach. It's here. Oh, that's good. The favela. Yeah. Just taking a trip here.
Vai amar. Very nice. Wow. Shit.
Now that's a view. Wow, you can see everything from here. Wow, the city is beautiful from here. This is my driver. Hey,
Pão de
my
Açúcar.
mi amigo.
Praia de Botafogo. Praia Botafogo.
Yeah,
Monte Rio Niterói.
Niterói.
Monte Rio Niterói.
Yeah.
Rio Niterói.
Ah, yeah.
Daqui a pouco vai passar aí um avião aí pra. Com certeza.
And Sugarloaf,
Yes.
right?
Bondinho.
Yes.
Pão de Açúcar.
I believe in you. You got it. I know you got this. You got it. Just keep on trying. You got it. There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah. Always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate, just call on me, and I'll help you carry some of that weight.